Hello friends, welcome to another video of Opel Manta project. As you can see, the car is now painted, which is, it's a relief and it's very nice to see after all this time. There was still loads of work to be done before it was painted. As you remember from the previous episode, we finished with surfacer that needed to be sanded down. So my friend Aleš and his girlfriend Nina and also my father helped me to sand it down. We finished it off with 800 grit paper, but we worked for 2 days because the available free slot in the paint booth demanded us to work pretty hard to meet the timeline. So yeah, we did it. It was pretty demanding. Me and Aleš even worked with, I think we had like 38 degrees fever, but yeah, we managed to get it done. Then it was transported to the paint booth from Forum Colorum. My friend Mario arranged the transport, so that was pretty nice. And then it was time to paint the doors and the hoods first, sand it down again, so we get rid of the orange peel, and then put clear coat on it, and then the body was painted. This and a lot more interesting stuff coming up in this episode. Thank you to Aleš and Nina, thank you to my father, and of course to Forum Colorum and Standox, and to you for watching this and to following with the project. Exciting stuff is happening, so yeah. Okay, so as you can see, the car is back on the lift. The reason being is that we're going to extend the distance between the wheels, because when we're going to put it on the trailer to transport it to the paint booth, we kind of need more space in between them. So it's going to be a little bit more stable, and it's going to be easier to load it onto the trailer because the trailer has a opening in between area. So we have manufactured some different mountings for it. We're going to take the old wheels off, weld those on, and then put it back on the ground so we can start prepping it. Right now we are, I would say, 70% done. We still need to do the lower part of the rear quarter panel, and we need to finish off the doors, and that's it. So we're going to finish off with 800 grit, and yeah. Okay, so the Manta is now almost finished. We have topped everything off with 800 grit sanding papers with foam in between. So tomorrow, right before we put it on the trailer, I'm going to inspect all the edges, and if I need to, I'll make a quick pass over there. But the majority is now done. We need to take off the maskings because otherwise it's going to fly off when it's going to be on the highway. So yeah, a special thanks to my friend Aleš and Nina for helping me out, and yeah, we learned a lot and it was a lot of work, but thankfully this step is done as well. So yeah, now we can get it on the trailer tomorrow and off to the paint booth. Yeah, I'm excited. Hello guys, welcome. We are at the paint booth. We're going to get the Manta ready. It's now being blasted off with compressed air, so we're going to get all the dust off. And yeah, it's going to be an exciting episode. We're going to put on the paint. And yeah, thanks to Forum Colorum and Stanox for helping me out with the project. And yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so this is it for today. Now the body will be painted tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm going to be here because of logistics problems, but the doors are painted, the hoods are painted, and the body is now ready. So yeah, thank you all for joining in. I hope you enjoyed this episode as I did making it, and yeah, exciting times, and finally it's paying off what we were doing for the last 3 years. So yeah, thank you all, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you to Forum Colorum, and see you in the next episode. Bye.